What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video and this is the end. Like seriously, we are gonna die. Okay, not that end, but the mythical, magical, El Magnifico Oppo Find X is coming. And it's about to end the competition of this bezel-less race. It's gonna set the bar so high that I think we might have to wait for next year's flagship phones to reach that level. So a bit of history. The last Find phone Oppo released was the Oppo Find 7a. The phone was able to take 50 megapixel photos from a 13 megapixel sensor. The Find series has always been their flagship, not the R phone they make, which is like the copy of iPhone. They have been sidetracked because of how good they were doing in China. I don't know the reason, but there was no Oppo Find phone after the Find 7a. We've heard rumors about the Oppo Find 8 and Oppo Find 9, but nothing happened. So finally, it's confirmed that Oppo Find X is returning for real, and it will be announced on June 19 in France, and what it offers could possibly put an end to the competition. So the Oppo Find X is a phone to have the highest screen to body ratio, combined with the Samsung's Infinity OLED display. Yes, Oppo has bought OLED Infinity displays from Samsung to have it on the Find X, and according to the new teaser posted by Oppo, the Find X will feature a 6.4-inch display with a 93.8% screen to body ratio, and this is not Lenovo guys, it's Oppo. Owned by BBK Electronics, the firm that also owns Vivo and OnePlus, and we have already seen them delivering the unbelievable Vivo NEX with the 91% screen to body ratio. So 93% on the Oppo doesn't seem like a lying marketing technique like Lenovo did, because they already delivered what they said on the Vivo NEX. So we got a device with nearly just display up front. It looks amazing. This is a leaked CCTV 1 footage and it teases the Find X, and you might be saying, well, where the hell are those cameras? We can't see them on the back. We can't even see them on the front. So where are they? Well, here comes the genius of Oppo. It's actually a sliding back. So the back actually slides up, revealing the front camera and the cameras from the back. The Vivo NEX had the front camera hidden outside the body, which would come out as soon as you launch the front camera. This one has both front and back cameras hidden, but as soon as you slide the back up, it will reveal all the cameras. Wow, I don't know how well it would work in real life, but I think it's amazing and it's unique. They are really bringing the future for real. I am impressed. So because of this amazing sliding display mechanism, they've been able to pack in 93.8% screen to body ratio. Now let's take a look at some specifications. So we got the latest Snapdragon 845 processor, a 6.4-inch 1080p HD Plus display. It's an OLED display from Samsung with a 93.8% screen to body ratio. Color OS based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Although some leaks have shown us that Android P could be ready for this phone, just like the OnePlus 6. Despite having all that crazy tech, it's still packing a 3730 mAh battery, a headphone jack, and a 20 and 16 megapixel camera combination on the back with f2.0 aperture, and a 25 megapixel front camera for selfies. Find X will also come with Oppo's Super VOOC flash charge fast charging tech, which is capable of taking a 2500 mAh battery from flat to full in no more than 15 minutes. That is crazy. It's even faster than the dash charging from OnePlus, and it's also rumored to have the 5x dual camera zoom feature that they announced back in 2017 MWC, which basically uses a real optical zoom to take stunning high quality photos. Along with that, it could have the same ability of the Oppo Find 7a to take 50 megapixel photos by taking 10 consecutive shots extremely quickly and then automatically pick 4 best shots to combine them into a 50 megapixel still. Gotta say guys, amazing spec sheet, amazing phone, amazing innovation right here with the Oppo Find X. Guys, I'm gonna try my best to get my hands on this, but let's see. Let's hope for the best, because tomorrow is going to be the day where Oppo will officially announce this phone. Let me know your thoughts on the Oppo Find X. Tomorrow is the official day for its launch in France. Can't wait to see this in real life. Can't wait to see this in real life, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.